Today I have a very basic, a very traditional and a very quick and easy recipe for you which is made with black urad dal. So let's see the recipe for Maghi Khichdi. This is a one-pot meal. Everything is going to be made in the pressure cooker. For the Maghi Khichdi, black urad dal is taken. Just soak it for around 2 to 3 hours, or if you're in a rush, then soak it for 30 minutes in lukewarm water. Also, I have washed and rinsed half a cup of rice. Now let's begin. Turn on the flame. Since we are making khichdi, we're going to do the tadka with ghee. So heat a tablespoon of ghee in the pressure cooker. Let's add in all the whole spices. So 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 peppercorns, 2 cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green chillies, 1 tablespoon ginger, and saute all these ingredients for a few seconds. Let's add in the soaked dal as well as the rice. Mix all these ingredients in the pressure cooker and cook the rice and dal in ghee for about a minute. A lot of people make this khichdi with roasted chana dal, or it's even called bhuni khichdi. So everything remains the same. You can just add a few potatoes and some chana dal instead of the urad dal. Next, let's add in a few spices. 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, 2 cups of water. Give this a good mix and now cover it with the pressure cooker lid. Cook this for 3 whistles on medium flame. Traditionally, this khichdi is made only with whole spices, ghee and salt. But I've made it a little more flavorful by adding a few spices, and I'm also going to be doing an interesting tadka for it just to give it a little variation. Turn off the flame and now let the pressure cooker cool down completely. Once the pressure cooker has cooled down, open it very carefully. Beautiful. This khichdi is ready. Give it a stir. Let's serve it in a bowl. I'm going to be using cashew nuts and sesame seeds for this tadka. So let's heat some ghee, a dry red chilli, a few cashew nut pieces. Cook this till the cashew nut changes slight color. Now add in a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Once they start spluttering, let's pour the tadka over the khichdi. This Maghi Khichdi is ready. It's so simple but extremely flavorful. Enjoy it with a bowl of curd, but I just like it the way it is. Do try this recipe during this festive season. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.